Okay. I have all my lights on in my bomb shelter. Because I keep hearing snoring. There's the pig. Savannah, Sevy, come. There's the dog. I live here with the pig and the dog. Whoosh, quiet, guys. I don't know how well you can hear it, and I can't tell where it's coming from, but I am definitely hearing snoring coming from somewhere. It sounds like it's coming from over there, but when I go over there, it sounds like it's coming from back there. And then when I go back there, it sounds like it's coming from over here again. I think it's the way the curved roof is shaped. Shh. Can you hear it? You know what really bugs me? The dog is concerned with chasing a mouse. The pig wants to chew on my toes. Neither one of them is freaked out by the damn snoring. Now it sounds like it's coming from over there. I don't understand. There's no place for anybody to hide. And it would have to be a pretty big animal to snore that loudly. I'll get back to you guys.